Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you the first look of Windows 11. So the official build of Windows 11 hasn't been released yet, but it's leaked out on the internet. So I have downloaded the leaked version and installed it on my VMware workstation, that is the virtual environment. So let's look at the next generation Windows 11. So you can see that we have the new wallpaper on the desktop, and if you just right click and click on personalize and just go down, so you can see the new wallpapers that are there in Windows 11. I cannot change them right now because I haven't activated the Windows 11 because I don't have the key, but you can see the new wallpapers. In the left hand side, if you just click on the themes, so you can find the new themes also. The next thing that you will notice is that we have now all the apps in the center. In Windows 10 we used to have it in the left hand side, but in Windows 11 you have it in the center. And if you click on the start button, so you can see the new user interface and the floating flyout design of the start menu. At the top we have all the apps, and you can move these apps also by dragging them. You can also move them by just right clicking over them and clicking on the option move to top. If you want to see all the apps, then you can just click on this all apps option at the top and just scroll down, and you can see that all apps are shown here. If you click on the settings option, you will find the same system, devices, phone, network and internet options like it was there in the Windows 10. So at the top we have all the apps, and under it you will find all the recently opened documents, and then at the bottom left corner we have the profile. You can click here to sign out, and at the bottom right corner we have the power button to shut down and restart. So this is all we have in the start menu. Then beside it is the search icon. It is same as Windows 10, but it has new icon and the user interface. So this also has the floating design. You can just type anything to search. You can just click on control panel. So this is how the new control panel looks like. And beside it we have the task view option to switch between different desktops. So all in all the native apps remains the same, like Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Store, but we have new icons everywhere. So if you open the File Explorer, you can see the new icons here. If you click on this PC, so this is how it looks like. And if you just hover over this maximize button, you will find the new split options that are useful when you want to open two or more than two windows side by side. So overall, I like the new Windows 11 user interface changes, but we should wait for the official build of Windows 11 to release. So this is what I have for you today. That's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.